Alrighty, this is going to be a short video about doing the taillights. I just wanted to show you that, how I did it. These are LED taillights. They're nothing exotic. But here's the video, and I'll give you a little narrative as we go. Here we go. Here is the installation of the left tail light. I had already done the right one. As you can see, I think it turned out pretty good. The benefit of using the LED tail lights was that the tub had a lot of rust holes and holes from other, like the gas tank filler hole was on the right hand side, and the hole where the wiring came through to the original tail lights. And I really wanted to use something different, but using these tail lights kind of filled in that void from the tail lights, from the holes that were originally there. And I may go back later and put a different tail light on it. But right now I had these and I wanted to use them. So they are actually trailer tail lights that I bought at Advanced Auto Parts or AutoZone, something like that. But going on, you can see that I'm cutting the hole. There was a template that came in the package that you use to mark out where you cut the hole at. Took a cut-off wheel and cut it all, and I've got that cut out. Now I've got this sped up very fast, so you don't have to sit there and watch me whittle around with this. And right now I'm trying to clean up that hole that I originally cut. Those holes are very jagged when you cut them out with a cut-off wheel, but they're actually more jagged on the back side than they are on the front. But right now I'm just working on getting the front side cleaned up, and then I'll probably, there's a file. I'm going to go back and clean up the back side so that there's not a way to get cut or something there while I'm working on it. That's, you can see the hole in my headlight. The hole shows up in there, and I filled in used that hole that was there for the original tail light as part of the rounded part. Now we're going to put the tail light in there, slide it in place, put the tail light in it, and there we go. And that's what it looks like. Okay, so these are going to be the tail lights of the Jeep. Got them both cut out and installed. Nothing crazy, but I think the LED gives it a nice look, and I like that slender look. There's still a lot of body work to be done on this thing, but right now I'm just trying to get it wired. So I got my tail lights in, and I am discombobulating the dash and getting ready to pull wire to the switches and to the gauges. And this is the finished product of the Jeep on the front. LED headlights, blinkers. I think that looks pretty cool. Replace the bezels with some nice new chrome ones. There just ain't nothing better looking than new chrome. And we're going to get started on this wiring deal. So here we go. Okay, so there you have it. That's the taillights installed, headlights installed, blinkers installed. Now we just got to make them work. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Pass it on. We got one more big phase to go, and then we'll be down to the fun stuff. Motor, transmission, stuff like that. So appreciate you watching. Here we go.